Hey fifth graders, so I want to make a video to kind of walk you through how to do the Word It Out art project assigned for this week. It's pretty easy, but still I think it makes more sense if you can see it versus me trying to write out all the instructions. So if you're on Google Classroom, you can see our assignment right here. You can see my example right here, and you'll see that we've got different types of words, we've got different types of fonts and colors. So that's what we're going to be aiming for. We're making a word art project. Now, you are currently watching the attached short video, so good job, you got step 1 done. You're going to end up going to this link, which I'll click in a second, and then you're going to choose 15 words that come to mind when you think of life since school has closed. So I just want you to kind of take a minute and brainstorm what words come to mind with like remote learning, with the pandemic, with quarantine, things like that. Just kind of reflect on your experience the last couple months. Once you're done with your word art, which I'm going to show you how to do, you're going to email it to me at my email. So again, we're going to go to this link, and you'll end up with something that looks like this. Where it says original text, that's where you're going to type in your 15 words. So maybe mine is online, because I've been doing a lot of stuff online, remote learning, digital, lonely. I get lonely not seeing you guys so much. TV, I watch a lot of TV these days. Pandemic, maybe masks. Interesting, because this is certainly an interesting time. Hang out with my cats a lot these days. Let's see, what else? Outside, I've been going outside and taking walks a lot more. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I need 3 more words. Let's see. I'm going to say missing, you all. Boredom, because maybe you're more bored these days. Stuck. Some of us feel stuck at home these days. So once you have your 15 words, if you have more, go for it. Actually, these will look cooler the more words you have. So if you want to write out like a whole story or write a poem, go for it. But once you have your text, you're going to go to generate. Now this looks pretty cool. I might save this just because I really like how it looks. But you have some freedom with this. If you want to change the font, you can mess around with the different fonts that are here. If you want to change the color, you could always change the background color. You could always change the different types of fonts, or rather the different colors of fonts. If you want to change how many colors of fonts there are, you can do that. If you want to change the size, maybe you want to make your words really big, although mine didn't really change that much. Word list, we're going to pretty much stay away from that. So you have the chance to kind of play around with these, and you can keep regenerating it. And it'll give you different options. So you can kind of play around and see if there's something that strikes your fancy a little bit more than the first one that came up. So once you are happy, I like this one. Once you're happy with one, you're going to click Save. You're going to give it a title. So I've made a couple of these, so I'm going to call it Word It Out 3. You can skip the description and the related link. Then you're going to go down to email and type in your school email and click Save. This is going to send you a link to your email. So then you next have to go to your email, click on the email they just sent you, click on the link, and then you'll be able to download it. Once you have it downloaded, you'll be able to email it to me so I know you've done the assignment. So once you have a download on your Chromebook, you're going to make an email to me at lburl@gesdk12.org. Word it out. Hey, Miss B. And then you can attach your Word It Out project and email it to me so I know you did it. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I hope you have fun with this, okay?